We've made ordering from Timedox easy and simple. You can visit our website, check us out on Amazon, or just give us a call.
Okay, sir, your Silver Plus time clock is on the way.
Each order will be pulled from our on-site warehouse and tested for quality assurance. Each order is promptly packaged and sent straight to you. As soon as your package has arrived, you can open and install in no time. And now you can set up your Timedox device and enroll your employees. In just a few short minutes, you'll be ready to start. Clocking in is secure and convenient with multiple options including fingerprint scanning,
Thank you.
proximity cards,
Thank you.
or facial recognition.
Thank you.
Reports are easily generated and can be integrated with your preferred payroll software or quickly exported to Microsoft Excel, Word, or a PDF with just the click of a button. Have questions? Need help with setup? Our technical support staff is here to help.
Thanks for calling Timedox Support. All right, you should be all set.